It's me again. What do we got today? Got a pretty good story for the week. I was putting together a Hyper Toys toy forklift. You know when you buy something, you got it on sale for a birthday party and it's like electronic, and you buy it several months in advance and it has to be put together. So you're like, anyway, I picked up a for my son's birthday this week. It was a Hyper Toys toy forklift, and picked it up at Sam. Actually, I went to go to Sam's Club. I seen it. I'm like, yeah, that's cool. I think it was like $300. Went back a week later, 2 weeks later, $249. Went back. I bought it. I think it went back another time. It was like $149. I'm like, I don't know, $149. They'll ride on car. It's gonna get thrown in the garbage eventually. Went back. They had like 6 left. It was $99, and I'm like, I gotta buy it. $99. Why not? So I bought it December 20th. Birthday's in April. So yeah, I put it on the side. It's been in my store, blocking the floor for what? End of December, January, February, March, most April. About 4 months. So finally I put it together, take it all out of the box. Great. Put all the screws together, trying it out. Has a little rocking motion, thing goes up and down. Get to putting the roof on. I'm like, oh, I gotta store it. It's his birthday party, big birthday party. The thing that attached to forklift blades is missing. I'm like, oh my God, really? So I think it was a Sunday, Saturday I put it together. Emailed the company. I'm like, oh, I always get screwed. And I'm like, I hope they don't ask for the bill. I don't know where the bill is. So luckily, emailed the company, wait till Monday. Oh yeah, no, I called the company on Monday. I was like, yeah, just send whatever. I'll send you a form, send it back, and we'll explain the problem. Of course, he sends it back. Well, we can't do anything because we don't have your bill. I'm like, okay. I'm like, let me check on Sam's Club because I have a thing on there. I go on there. Thankfully, I found something with the bill. I was hoping, like, I better hope it works. Because it's just a little snippet. Doesn't show the actual bill. Just shows like thing, forklift, and whatever. So send it to the dude. Missing a part, and one of the parts on the side that holds the roof together had a screw. That was like wrong. So I told him it was screwed in, like there's a little like channel screwed in. The screw is supposed to go straight in. Well, it's screwed in this way. Yes, I got pink nails, so they have daughters. It went in this way and it won't hold together. So even if I fixed it, it wouldn't. So send it to them, and lo and behold, they're going to send me a new one. And then, of course, I forgot to send them my zip code for the US. They're going to send me new parts. That's cool. So now I can finish the forklift modification video, which I'm working on. So anyway, I just feel like every time I buy something cheap, forget the bill. I should have left the bill in the box. I always get screwed. Like something happens. So with that said, if you buy something you got to put together, take the extra time and just put it together, and just like, and then hide it somewhere. But it's kind of hide the heart of box. The box is literally probably 3 feet by 4 feet. It was probably bigger than this welding table, and about maybe, I don't know, 2 feet high. So it wasn't exactly, I couldn't really put it anywhere. Plus it was the middle of winter. I didn't want to put it in a unheated garage. I want the battery to freeze. So yeah, that's my first video for today. A little story of muckery with buying stuff. What else? Not much else going on. Had a birthday party, ate a little bit of cake. Yeah, made me sick, but you know, yeah, I don't eat cake much anymore. Had a, what do you call it? Had a little fight with kids and nail polish. They only got 2 fingers. They didn't get that 1 finger, so they got 1 finger on this one, but they didn't get this one. So anyway, I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you actually like some of my videos, you can actually hear them. Check the volume up. When I forget to use my mic, I try to pop the volume up because I know this thing doesn't have a very good microphone. So thanks for watching. Click some buttons and toodle-oodles.